just because like I'm working and stuff, and this is my summer room tour. I made this room a little bit nicer, so hopefully you guys like it. It's actually a pain in the butt to move everything out after my sublease ends, so I hope you guys like it. So when you walk in from the door, this is what it looks like. So I just have like my bag here and my umbrella, and over here is, I don't know why I have two mirrors. Honestly, I brought this one to campus, but I didn't realize the one from my sublease, this place, had another mirror that's installed on the walls, and this is like a mini like OOTD. I just have like a halter and just like some shorts and stuff. So yeah, let's begin. Over here in the bottom, I just keep some, right here, I have some Fila shoes that I just bought. I was kind of like debating whether or not to buy them, but these are the shoes that I got. So they're really nice and comfortable, even though they kind of look blocky-ish. And over here I have an air conditioner because sometimes the smell of the summertime is kind of nasty, so I just like keep that over there. And here's like my light switch, and it's like so inconvenient because like, you know, usually the light switch is over here, but when you like, I guess like sometimes when I'm like walking, I just like don't realize it's over here until I have to like touch the wall. So yeah. And yeah, this apartment has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, by the way. And over here is my vanity section. I really like how it has like a section for like my desk area over there, and then here's like my vanity, and here's like this ottoman that I've had since like freshman year of high school. I'm gonna be a rising junior, and I just keep a lot of miscellaneous stuff in here. It's a lot of like junk, so this is like my messy drawer. And over here I just keep some of my makeup, and that's like a junk drawer, and some like other random bags here. And if you guys want a makeup collection, I can definitely do that, and have like a mirror and all my brushes. And here's like a sneak peek of what my makeup looks like. And here's like my skincare tower, which I'm very, very proud of. I got this from like TJ Maxx for really cheap. I think it was like $10 around there. But I really like it because I just keep all my skincare routine in here. It's really nice. And actually this one has a light up there. So if I ever needed light over here, because it's kind of dark. So yeah. And here's like my window. I think I have like the best view out of my roommates. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty quiet over here, and there's a person walking. Hello! And yeah, I really like this view. I feel like I get a lot of sunlight throughout the day, so it's pretty nice. And there's like an outlet here in case I need to blow dry my hair or curl my hair, so it's pretty nice. So I'll definitely do like a makeup collection. And over here is my bed. Yeah, here's what my bed looks like. This is like a random throw that I got at like Kohl's or something. And then this bedding is from TJ Maxx, and I just like have like a quilt underneath because I think some of my sheets like don't fit because it was for like a twin XL. But I just have like my alpaca, a teddy bear, this pillow that I used to sleep with, some decor, like some throw pillows, really cute polar bear over there stuck in the corner, and that pillow is actually really, really comfy, so I really enjoy that. Oh my, I can't talk right now. But over here is my tapestry. This tapestry, I got it from Amazon, and it was like, I think like $8 or $10. I can't remember, but I'll try to find it and link it down below. But it's really nice tapestry, and I feel like it like pulls in the room together. A lot of my friends, when they walk in, they're like, why is your room so blue? I'm like, I don't know. But over here I just have some fairy lights. So I have some fairy lights over here. I think they're like the 100 count, but I really like the white lights because I feel like they pull in together with my room and how it looks. And yeah, I just enjoy it. I think I got it from Amazon, so I'll link that one below. And over here it's really nice because the apartment came with this chair and this desk, and here's like my phone over here. I don't think it's focused, but here's my phone and my lens cap, and then some pens. And here's my MacBook Pro that I have. It has like a mini little corgi over there, and it's so cute. And I got it for like the start of college. And then over here is my whiteboard. Yeah, I just have these JBL speakers, which are amazing. I got it from like Black Friday for like $50, which is such an investment because I feel like I use that one a lot. And here's like my water bottle, and over here there's more lights that I have. And over here I think, yeah, this is a Bible verse, and it's from, focus. Yeah, it's from Lamentations 3:22-20. This is a line character from Korea. It's so cute. One of my friends gave me this. Like a bunch of pens in here, because I really enjoy like stationery and stuff. Over here is like my Devo book, and then my Bible, and my iPad, and I have a bullet journal over here. And this awkward corner, I just keep like all my luggages from when I moved in. I think the thing over here, I just have like a bunch of suitcases because I have nowhere to put them, and this bed is literally way too small for me to put like anything. Over here is probably one of my favorite sections just because I think it looks like aesthetically pleasing. I just keep like a bunch of my lip products here. All the back ones are from ColourPop, and some of these like random miscellaneous lipsticks are here. And I have like a box of Kleenex, scrunchies. This is from Hobby Lobby, I think, and it says you are fearfully and wonderfully made. And I just had this random like scrunchie thing that's like a bow that I got from Urban Outfitters. And I just have a letter from my friend and then a picture. And over here, it's kind of like messy. It's like my messy beauty drawer. I just keep like random like nail polishes in here, and yeah, but I think over here I just keep, yeah, a bunch of t-shirts, sweatshirts. This one is running open, but more sweatshirts. And would you look at that sweatshirt rug? My roommate actually let me borrow it because it doesn't really fit in her room, so I just like kept it in my room. And I think this is another one of my favorite parts of this room, which is this section. I tried really hard to keep it clean. I feel like since it's open, because since I have my like laundry hamper here, I can't really close it. So I just keep this kind of steady here. Over here, I just have like all my clothes here. The ones that like need to be hung up. Actually, like I can't, the thing is like I keep on buying more clothes, but the thing is like I don't have room. So it's kind of like unfortunate. So I just have all my clothes here. I think I need to downsize. That's what I need to do. Some like miscellaneous stuff. This one is like a birthday card that like my friends made me. Those are like underwears and bras. And over here is like extra hangers that I have. And over here I just have like all my bags. As you can tell, I really like Kate Spade. I just like how this kind of like ties in. So yeah, this is like one of the Kate Spade bags I have. This is my favorite one just because it can fit a lot of stuff. And this is like my mom bag. And in here is just like more clothes that doesn't fit in these drawers or over in this section. So I just keep, I think in here is just towels and this like big sweatshirt I have. And what is this? Oh yeah, these are all my leggings. These are all from Lululemon, and these are all shorts and like workout shorts, workout tanks and stuff. So this is like my workout drawer. And over here is like pajamas and pajama shorts. Oh my gosh. So over here is just skirts. I love skirts and pairing them with like t-shirts and stuff. So I have like a bunch of like skirts here, and then here's are my shorts. And this section, I think I worked the hardest on this one, but this is really heavy. But I just keep all my pants here. I have really fun like gingham pants, striped pants, more striped pants, plaid pants. Would you look at that? More plaid pants. And yeah, and I just have like my jeans and stuff. So this drawer looks really nice because I think I tried like the Marie Kondo way, but I like forgot how to like fold it. So yeah, this, I don't know where this is from, but this one's really handy because I just have so much clothes. And like in the back, I just keep like a box full of shoes and then just like my laundry hamper just in case I need to do laundry. So yeah, this is my entire room. So if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to click the subscribe button, and see you guys next time. Bye!